All right, we're getting ready to take off in a 1965 C10. This one here's got a 350 under the hood. Power steering. The AC setup's still up under there. We're gonna be trying that out throughout the video. If you're new to the channel, this is Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. We have financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And we buy about 50 cars a month, so we're always turning over inventory here, getting something new. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for daily content. All right, we're gonna shut this hood down. Get ready to take off down the road. The hood shut's nice and easy. You're looking for a part 2 video, walking around pointing out any flaws. But right now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, we're gonna look around the interior. Something we like to do on this channel. Do you think the horn works? It's a little poll we do. On every vehicle, at least try to. Inside looks pretty good. Cloth seats, bench. Not bad looking. Let's go ahead and start it up. I'd say we're gonna go straight to the gas station. The gas gauge is saying E right now. I can show you the mileage. I can't stand behind it. This is a 350 under the hood. The motor has been changed out. Wipers do work. You ready for that horn? Horn works on this one. Try our original controls here, and they're not doing anything. Let's look in the glove box and see if we got a, well, I'm gonna have to cut it off to use this to see if we got vintage air. We don't, but we do got some paperwork and original documents. There's a switch up under the dash here. I'm not 100% sure what it does. I was hoping maybe it cut on the AC. Looks like majority of the stuff is working, so we're gonna hit the road and see how she drives. All right, guys, we're gonna try to get through this video without too many interruptions this time. We're getting ready to take off. Anything that I see that is wrong with this one, I will let you know. Speedometer's coming up. I can actually hear the speedo cable making a bunch of rubbing noises behind the dash right now. It's bouncing all over, so it does need a new speedo cable on it. A little bit slack in the front end on this one, as you can see. Turns there, turns there. If I let go of the steering wheel, we're going straight down the road. Gradually going to the left. I think that was just me. Let's see if it does it again. No, it's straight as an arrow going down the road. Hear that speedo cable galloping like a horse? Or a bed spring, I don't know. It's definitely a horse. The brakes, they are manual drum brakes. Self-explanatory. They feel just like they sound. Seems like the steering's kind of turning with them a little bit to the left. Turn signals, they're popping up on the dash here. On both sides. Carburetor's got a little bit of a hesitation to it. It's an old Edelbrock. I've seen that too many times. Yeah, we're going a different route today because I had to take this guy to pick up a car. And this route's a little bit slow. We do got a green light now. Maybe I'll edit all this stuff out. She's jumpy, ain't she?
It's a little peppy.
Yeah. I seen the kick down under the hood. It's not hooked up. It's just laying there on the intake. I don't really think this truck needs it. It's got a lot of pep to it. Man, we should have stopped at that gas station back here.
Here's some gas.
Yeah, we may run out.
Never know.
I didn't think about it. I was thinking about a different route for this video. That speedo cable is loud.
It's not comfortable.
Definitely a lower gear truck. Alright guys, we're going to go up here and find a gas station. I'm going to get some outside shots somewhere around here and head on back to the lot. I'm also going to do a walk around video of this truck. Be looking for that. Sounds like a washing machine's behind the dash. Oh.
That's a broken washing machine.
That's what mine sounds like.
Need a new washing machine.
Nah, it's still kicking. Oh, oh. The suspension's making a little creaky noise up under the front end too. Oh. Motor sounds good. It does. I know where the gas station is. I'll see y'all in a minute. We're about to roll out of the gas station here. Old Bernie in the passenger seat put us about $20 worth of premium fuel in this truck. We're gonna check that gas gauge out, make sure it works, and keep this test drive rolling. Let's do it. Yep, gas gauge ain't working on this one. Sure is. Okay, we're getting ready to take off here. Carburetor is still having that little issue where it's stumbling and missing a little bit. But it's staying running. It's idling itself down real low. Need to go ahead and turn the idle up a little bit. Seems like once it got warm, the idle went way down. suspension on this thing's a little bit bouncy too. Just kind of got me doing this. But everything else seems good. I mean, brakes feel good, gas pedal, I mean, it's touchy. This truck's pretty peppy for what it is. But we're gonna go ahead and pull back in the lot here. I'm gonna grab another car and take off on another test drive today. Try to get all these videos out for y'all. All right, let's get it. Guys, if you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping, and all of our inventory is located on that website. We update every Monday with new cars. Most of the time it's about 10, 15 cars. We get about 50 cars a month through here. That's why we always have videos for you, test drive videos, new stuff every day. So hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out the walk around video. It's that time. Thank y'all.